DEKRA Group, originating from nearly a century of expertise in automotive safety and security, stays ahead of trends in ensuring the safety and security of human, technological, and environmental interactions. Our business spans across 6 regions and 60 countries, establishing as renowned global security experts. In 2023, Onward Security became part of the DEKRA family, specializing in cybersecurity for IoT, industrial, automotive, and medical sectors. Onward Security is the ideal partner for IoT cybersecurity compliance, with expertise in cybersecurity assessment, testing, certification, consulting, and AI assessment products. We understand the urgency and importance that businesses place on cybersecurity. Through cybersecurity testing and consulting, strengthen cybersecurity management systems, and resolving security vulnerabilities. Facing increasingly severe supply chain cyber attacks worldwide and the need to comply with ever stricter cybersecurity regulatory requirements, we possess the most comprehensive cybersecurity assessment labs in Asia, assisting customers in product assessment and quickly obtaining international cybersecurity certifications. Independently developed AI cybersecurity assessment products to automate open-source software security management, assisting in enhancing product competitiveness. Our mission is to help customers pave the way for a secure and digital future, securing the global IoT world. Onward Security, a DEKRA company.